Hey, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Thanks for stopping in for the unboxing of one of our fantastic rings. We're going to be taking a look at the Journeyman, which is just inside of our custom wood grain box. So when it comes in the mail, you know there's something good inside. And what's good inside, first of all, is a second box. Nice and protected, the ring in there. Welcome to the Manly Bands movement. That's our information card. So inside there's a number for our customer service, QR codes, because those are cool, and one of the 17 different ways of communicating with people socially. And check those out because we love all of those and we're into it, okay? Not as much as we're into this, our ring with our box in there that could do some serious damage. Maybe the neighbor's dog won't shut up, and this corner is looking real nice against the side of its head. In your mind, don't do that, guys. Don't hurt animals. The Journeyman, 18 karat rose gold plated tungsten. We've got turquoise in there for our Sagittariuses, and koa wood, and of course my favorite, deer antler for you bow hunters, maybe gun hunters. I prefer the bow or the spear. Antlers, they fall off. Horns do not. Little tidbit for your next soiree. And the rose gold, don't worry about rose. We're not talking about petals. We're talking about the addition of copper into the ring to add that little bit of extra strength. So if you're a bit of a copper top like myself and you want to accent that, not that I don't have enough already, you can never have too much, then that ring might be the great choice for you. Check it out on manlybands.com. But before we go, check this out. We also include silicone band for those of you that don't want to scratch up the ring side by side. Perfect size every time, of course, when you order it. And then inside also are some promotional materials from our sister site, Rosie Ray, for our ladies that are looking for an awesome ring, and some other promotional materials as we see fit. It might be something cool, might be something even cooler. Again, check it out at manlybands.com.